What if regaining your confidence in bed didn't require a pill, a prescription, or a long wait? A new over-the-counter gel is making headlines because men say it helps them perform naturally in just minutes. Welcome to Heal Naturally, the channel where men learn how to restore energy, balance hormones, and improve vitality safely and naturally. If you're someone who values real, science-backed information without the medical confusion, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Today, we're breaking down the truth behind the new FDA-approved gel that claims to help men get stronger, faster erections without a single pill. Let's start simple. Most men know that erections depend on blood flow and nerve response. When those signals weaken due to stress, age, or poor circulation, things just don't work like they used to. Now, this new gel, called Erections, works differently from pills like Viagra or Cialis. Instead of taking something that moves through your whole body, this gel works right where you apply it. You use a pea-sized amount, rub it gently on the head of the penis, and that's it. Within seconds, it creates a cool, then warm feeling. That sensation wakes up the nerves, telling your body to release something called nitric oxide, a natural chemical your body already makes to trigger erections. Think of nitric oxide as the spark that lights the fire. Once it's released, the blood vessels in the penis relax, allowing blood to flow in more freely, and that's what creates an erection. Unlike prescription drugs that can take an hour to work, this gel acts fast, sometimes within 10 minutes, because it works locally. And since it doesn't travel through your bloodstream, it's less likely to cause headaches, dizziness, or blood pressure changes that some men experience with oral medications. Now here's what makes this breakthrough interesting. The gel isn't just convenient, it's FDA approved, meaning it met the safety standards required for use without a doctor's prescription. That's a big deal, because until now, nearly all erectile dysfunction treatments required medical supervision or prescriptions. Early studies showed that about 60% of men using the gel noticed significant improvement. That means stronger erections and better confidence. And these weren't lab results. These were real men across multiple countries tested under clinical conditions. The beauty of this approach is its natural mechanism. It doesn't force your body to perform. It simply helps your own circulation and nerves do what they're meant to do. So for men who want something gentle, discreet, and quick, this may be a promising alternative. Perfect. Let's continue with Section 2, maintaining the calm, confident, and educational Heal Naturally tone, while still grounding everything in real science and relatable language. If you've ever tried medications like Viagra or Cialis, you know how they work. You take a pill, wait an hour, and hope your timing lines up. They're effective for many men, but not everyone enjoys the side effects. Headaches, facial flushing, stomach discomfort, or even a sudden drop in blood pressure. This new gel works differently. Instead of changing your body's chemistry, it works through nerve stimulation and natural blood flow, starting directly in the area you apply it to. You could think of it like this. Pills work from the inside out. Gel works from the outside in. When applied, that cooling to warming sensation is what triggers the nerves to signal your body to release nitric oxide. This means the gel doesn't flood your whole system. It just encourages your body to do what it's already designed to do. And here's where men are getting excited. The gel acts fast. In studies, some men saw results in as little as 10 minutes. Compare that to the 45 to 60 minutes most pills need to kick in. Plus, because the gel doesn't travel through your bloodstream, it's safe to use even if you take heart medication or nitrates, which are off limits for men using Viagra or Cialis. That makes it one of the few options that works quickly and safely for men who can't take standard erectile medications. What about side effects? Anytime something sounds this promising, people want to know, what's the catch? In studies, most men reported no serious side effects. A few experienced mild sensations like slight warmth, tingling, or temporary redness, but that's actually part of how it works. Only around 4% reported headaches or mild nausea, compared to about 19% who experienced headaches when taking traditional pills. And here's another plus. It's condom safe. It won't cause issues during oral activity, and it doesn't interact with other common medications. Essentially, it's designed to be as convenient and low risk as possible. For many men, that peace of mind alone makes it worth considering, especially for those who prefer a more natural, non-invasive solution. Who might benefit most? This gel seems to work best for men with mild to moderate erectile difficulties, the kind linked to stress, anxiety, or mild circulation issues, not severe medical conditions. If your challenges are occasional, this could be a simple, quick, and discreet option to have on hand. It doesn't replace a healthy lifestyle. Things like better sleep, movement, and diet still matter, but it can give you the confidence boost you need when you want results now. Now that you know how this new over-the-counter gel works, let's zoom out for a moment. Because while fast solutions can be helpful, real male vitality depends on more than a single product. Erections are a reflection of your overall health, your blood flow, hormones, mental state, and daily habits all play a role. So even if this gel gives quick results, your goal should still be to strengthen your body's natural ability to perform without relying on anything external over time. Let's look at 3 simple foundations every man should focus on. 1. Circulation is everything. The stronger your blood flow, the stronger your performance. Daily movement, even brisk walking or light strength training, can make a dramatic difference. Exercise boosts nitric oxide production naturally, the same chemical the gel helps trigger. Foods like beets, spinach, watermelon, and dark chocolate are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. They're natural boosters for blood vessel relaxation. No prescriptions required. 2. Manage stress. Save testosterone. Many men overlook this. Chronic stress is one of the biggest silent killers of male performance. When cortisol, your stress hormone, stays high, it reduces testosterone and restricts blood flow, a double hit to your energy and confidence. Try adding 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing, meditation, or even slow outdoor walks. Your body notices these small resets. Over time, they help your hormones rebalance naturally, improving stamina, focus, and arousal. 3. Restore rest and recovery. You can't perform well if you're always exhausted. Sleep is when testosterone is released, muscles repair, and your nervous system resets. Even 1 week of poor sleep can reduce testosterone by up to 15%. If you've been pushing through fatigue, remember, your body isn't weak. It's just asking for rest. Give it what it needs, and you'll notice the difference in both your energy and your performance. So, is the gel worth trying? Here's the bottom line. If you're dealing with mild to moderate erectile difficulties, or you just want a quick, safe option without pills, this gel might be worth testing. It works locally, it's fast, and it's FDA-approved for over-the-counter use. But remember, no gel, pill, or supplement replaces a healthy body. When you take care of your circulation, your hormones, and your stress, you're already building the foundation for natural, lasting performance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Heal Naturally, where we break down men's health in a calm, science-backed, and realistic way. Every week, we share natural methods to improve energy, focus, hormones, and confidence, because your health deserves more than shortcuts. Take care of yourself, stay strong, and remember, healing doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it starts with understanding your body and giving it what it truly needs.